Have you ever watched a fantasy movie and wished those incredible landscapes were real? They are. Our planet is filled with places so surreal they seem pulled from a dream. Welcome friends, it's Explore with Meg, your travel guide. Today we'll explore 10 of the most mind-bendingly beautiful destinations on Earth. No CGI, just pure natural magic. Think rainbow-colored mountains, blood-red lakes, and caves lit by living stars. These places prove our world is stranger and more wonderful than we imagine. I invite you to join me on this journey to the planet's most surreal wonders. Let's dive in. Our first stop is high in the Peruvian Andes, Vinicunca, or Rainbow Mountain. After a challenging trek, you're rewarded with a mountain striped in vibrant reds, golds, and greens. These colors come from mineral sediments exposed by melting snow, iron for red, copper for green, sulfur for yellow. For centuries, this masterpiece was hidden beneath ice, only recently revealed by climate change. Standing here, surrounded by alpacas and the Quechua people, you feel awe at nature's artistry. The altitude is tough, but the view is unforgettable, a living geology lesson at 17,000 feet. This isn't just a photo op, it's a pilgrimage. You witness the raw power and beauty of the earth, and it changes you. Vinicunca is a declaration from the planet itself. Even in the most remote places, beauty defies imagination. For adventurers, this is a true bucket list destination. It's a rainbow you can walk on. The journey is hard, but the memory lasts forever. Rainbow Mountain is proof that reality can outshine fantasy. Next, we travel to southwestern Turkey to Pamukkale, meaning Cotton Castle. From afar it looks like a snowy hillside, but up close it's a cascade of white travertine terraces filled with turquoise thermal pools. These terraces form as mineral-rich hot springs deposit calcium carbonate, creating a landscape sculpted by water and time. People have soaked in these healing waters since ancient times. The ruins of Hierapolis, a Greco-Roman spa city, still stand above. You can even swim among ancient columns in Cleopatra's pool. At sunrise or sunset, the terraces glow gold and blue, a photographer's dream. Pamukkale is where natural wonder and history intertwine. It's a spa created by nature itself. A visit here is both relaxing and surreal. Pamukkale is a testament to the artistry of water and time. Now, to Tanzania's Lake Natron, a place as haunting as it is beautiful. This blood-red lake is one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. Its color created by salt-loving microorganisms and algae. The water's extreme alkalinity preserves animals that die here, turning them into stone-like statues, a chilling natural mummification. Yet, it's also a cradle of life. Millions of flamingos nest here, protected by the caustic water. The contrast of pink birds against crimson water is unforgettable. The journey is rugged, but the reward is a glimpse into a primordial world. Nearby, the Oldoinyo Lengai volcano adds to the otherworldly feel. Lake Natron is a landscape of life and death, beauty and danger. It challenges our ideas of what a landscape can be. For the intrepid, it's a surreal adventure. Here, nature is both brutal and breathtaking. Lake Natron is a reminder that the planet's wonders are often its most extreme. Descend into darkness beneath New Zealand's green hills to the Waitomo glowworm caves. Drift silently on an underground river, gazing up at a ceiling lit by thousands of bioluminescent glowworms, like a living galaxy. These tiny creatures use their light to lure prey, creating one of the world's most enchanting spectacles. Silence is essential. Even whispers can dim the glow. Guides, often descendants of the Maori chief who first explored the caves, share stories and lead you through limestone chambers filled with ancient formations. The experience is pure wonder, floating beneath a canopy of living stars. It's a magical blend of science, nature, and culture. Waitomo reconnects you with a childlike sense of awe. Here, magic isn't just for stories, it's real, and it glows in the dark. The glowworm caves are a dreamlike, unforgettable journey. Ever wondered where Avatar's floating mountains came from? Welcome to Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in China. Thousands of sandstone pillars, some over 3,000 feet high, rise from the forest like stone skyscrapers. Formed by millions of years of erosion, these pillars often appear to float when shrouded in mist. Walk cliffside paths, cross the world's highest glass bridge, or ride the Beilong elevator up a sheer cliff. The views are otherworldly, a sea of stone spires and lush green. The famous Avatar Hallelujah Mountain is here, but no film can match the real thing. You feel like you've stepped into a living painting. Zhangjiajie is nature's architectural masterpiece. Every turn reveals a new breathtaking vista. It's a real-life fantasy world, proof that reality can be more incredible than fiction. Next, we journey to Socotra Island, Yemen, often called the most alien-looking place on Earth. Isolated for millions of years, Socotra's ecosystem is found nowhere else. The dragon's blood tree, with its umbrella shape and crimson sap, looks straight out of a fantasy novel. The bottle tree, swollen and bizarre, adds to the surreal landscape. Over a third of Socotra's plant species are unique to the island. Explore white sand dunes, turquoise seas, and rugged mountains. The Socotri people have preserved this fragile environment for generations. Getting here is tough, but the reward is a glimpse into evolution's wildest experiments. Socotra is a living laboratory of biodiversity. It's a place that feels like another planet, strange, beautiful, and unforgettable. Socotra reminds us how weird and wonderful our world can be. Now step into the misty world of Monteverde Cloud Forest, Costa Rica. Here you walk through clouds literally, high in the Talaran Mountains. Constant fog creates a lush, green explosion of life mosses, orchids, and ferns cover every surface. Walk the hanging bridges for a bird's-eye view of this dreamlike forest. It's a biodiversity hotspot, home to the resplendent quetzal, howler monkeys, and jewel-toned hummingbirds. The air is cool, the silence broken only by birdsong and dripping water. Monteverde is a model of conservation, protected by locals and Quakers for future generations. Visiting feels like entering nature's cathedral. It calms the soul and awakens wonder. Monteverde is a sanctuary in the sky. In British Columbia, Canada lies Spotted Lake, a natural work of abstract art. In summer, evaporation reveals dozens of colorful mineral pools, each a different hue depending on its mineral content. The lake is sacred to the Silks people who have used its healing waters for centuries. Because of its cultural and ecological importance, visitors view it respectfully from a distance. The polka-dotted landscape is mesmerizing, a quiet, mysterious place. Spotted Lake is a testament to the planet's chemistry and indigenous wisdom. It's not about conquering, but witnessing and respecting. Sometimes the world's wonders are small and deeply meaningful. Spotted Lake is a unique, contemplative corner of the earth. Next, to Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat. In the dry season, it's a blinding white expanse stretching to the horizon, cracked into geometric patterns. During the rains, a thin layer of water turns it into the world's largest mirror, reflecting sky and stars in dizzying perfection. The effect is surreal. You can't tell where Earth ends and sky begins. At night, the Milky Way is mirrored below your feet. Salar de Uyuni is a playground for creativity and a spiritual experience for many. From cactus-covered islands to salt hotels, every detail is unique. The landscape constantly changes with the seasons and light. It's a place of extremes, bright, cold, and always breathtaking. Salar de Uyuni feels like stepping into another dimension. It's a destination that will stay with you forever. Our final stop is Antelope Canyon, Arizona, a hidden world of sculpted stone and liquid light. This narrow slot canyon was carved by flash floods, its sandstone walls smoothed into flowing wave-like shapes. Walking through, you're enveloped by rich colors, orange, red, purple, glowing as sunlight filters in. The canyon's famous light beams create a photographer's paradise. Navajo guides share the canyon's cultural significance and point out shapes in the rock. Antelope Canyon is a natural cathedral, a testament to water's patient artistry. It's intimate, awe-inspiring, and deeply spiritual. Here, the earth reveals one of its most beautiful secrets. It's the perfect, magical end to our journey. There you have it, 10 of the world's most surreal places. Which destination captured your imagination? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures. Thanks for joining me. This is Explore with Meg, where travel is an experience. Until next time, keep exploring. See you on the next adventure.